Selenium class 11, Java arrays, input and output operations, and file handling. See, in this chapter we are going to discuss these three topics. First one, Java arrays. Java arrays. Next, input and output operations. Input and output operations. Next, file handling. See, first I am taking arrays, Java arrays. See, what is Java array? Java array is an object that holds a fixed number of values of a single data type. Java array is an object that holds a fixed number of values of a single data type. For example, in VBScript, array is variable. In VBScript, we have two types of variables. Scalar variables for storing one value at a time. Array variables for storing series of values at a time based on size of the array. But in Java, array is object. But in VBScript, array is variable. In C language, array is variable. Okay. See, what is array? What is array? See, in Java, array is an object. Array is an object that holds a fixed number means array size fixed. A fixed number of values of a single data type. See, in VBScript, we can assign different types of values to an array, but in Java, fixed data type and fixed number also. In VBScript, we have dynamic arrays, but here only constant arrays. Okay, Rahman, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Sorry for that.
Okay, cool. See, the length of array is established when the array is created. The length of array is established when the array is created. When the array is created. Next, array length is fixed. Index starts from 0 to n-1. Array length is fixed. Next, index starts from 0. Index starts from 0. Next, declaration of arrays. Declaration of arrays. See, I will introduce three methods. You can follow any one of the methods. See, first method. First method. Syntax. Data type. Next, array name, square brackets, semicolon. Just creating array. Next, in another statement, defining size. Suppose array name, square bracket, array name just equal to new keyword, new data type, within square brackets, size, semicolon. See, define size. Next, third statement, assigning values. See, array name, of means open square brackets, index 0 starts from 0 equal to value. This is assign value. See, based on size of the array, you can assign values. Suppose array 1 like this. Observe, Preeti, here 3 steps na. What are the 3 steps? First step, creating array. Second step, define size. Third step, assign value. Okay na? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Next example. Suppose integer type array. Int a square brackets, semicolon. First step. Next, define size. Smita, define the size. Suppose I want 3. I want to assign 3 elements. Smita, define size for this array. I want to store 3 elements.
Size.
A equal to, you continue, Sunil.
Yes, sir. A equal to new the data type. It is int. Yeah.
Size
and now
3.
size, sir. Size 3. Yes.
Semicolon. Say, observe, new data type size. Next, assign values, Sanjida. You can assign 3 values. Index starts from 0, 0, 1, 2. You can assign integer type data only. A of 0 equal to some 10. Next, A of 1 equal to 20. Next, A of 2 equal to 30. See, this is the example. See, launch Eclipse IDE. Just a minute. Launch Eclipse IDE. Create a class. Just a minute. Just a minute. I'm creating new Java project, new package, XYZA. Next, new class, arrays. Generate main method. Say first create array, same int a square brackets semicolon. Next, a equal to new int within square brackets size. Next, assign values. A of 0 equal to 10. Next, a of 1 equal to 20. Next, a of 3 equal to 30. Semicolon. For example, if you want to print, just a minute. Control space, enter. A of 2. A of 1 plus a of 2. Output 50. Run 50. See, first one, create array. Next, define size. Next, this third one, assign a value. Okay, na Sanjida?
Sorry, sir. Yes, sir.
Your voice is very low, Sanjida. What is the problem?
I can hear you, sir.
Okay, now okay.
Okay, thanks.
Next, say you try to assign more than one value. Observe, a of 3 equal to 40. Observe, Sunil, is it showing any syntax error?
No, sir, but
No syntax
still
error,
it is an
but it will show runtime
yes,
error, isn't it?
yes, sir.
Why? Script
Yeah, that's true.
program out of range.
Yeah,
Here in this program, a array size is 3 only, but we
3.
are storing 4 values, 0, 1,
Yes,
2, 3 indexes. It is not syntax error, but runtime error. Observe, runtime error. While execution only, it shows error, runtime error. Run the program, see, runtime error. What is this usage? Assign values to elements. Assign values to elements. that more than the length of array, more than the length of array, runtime error. It leads to a runtime error.
Sir, I have one question, sir. If we define the array size is 2 or 3 and we assigned only 2 values.
Just a minute, I will show. After showing different flavors, then you can ask me. This is one flavor. First one, we assigned 3 values only, correct size, executed properly. Second time, more than one value, showing runtime error. Third time, assign values to some elements only, not all elements. No issue. Assign values to some elements only. Just a minute. See in this example, array size is 3. You can assign 3 values, but we assigned 2 values only. 2 values only. If you try to execute this one, it won't show any error. You no need to assign all elements, but don't assign values to extra elements. Now ask me, Sunil, what is your query?
Yeah, the same one, sir.
Okay, cool. Next, one more type. Suppose if you try to assign invalid data types.
Sir? Just like you mentioned A of 0 and A of 1 value we assign. So it doesn't matter, right? If we can assign A of 0 and A of 2, it doesn't matter, right? We can assign any value.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank you,
doesn't matter. See, assign invalid values means invalid data type. Invalid data type. Invalid data type. It leads to syntax error, not runtime error. Syntax error. We cannot execute that program. Say, suppose A of 2 equal to 1.23 semicolon. Observe Smita, it is showing syntax error na?
Yes, sir.
See, 4 types we discussed. One is correct assignment, another is more than one value, next less than element size, less than array size, okay, more than array size, runtime error, next invalid data type, syntax error. Okay na Sridevi, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have just one small question, sir. If the size of the array data type is 3 and we have assigned only 2, then is there any change in the execution time, sir? Like suppose if we have 3 data type size and we have assigned 3 values, and if we have size is 3 and we have only assigned 2 values, can we see any difference in the execution time? or it will be same?
I'm not getting your question. Suppose size 3, okay.
Size 3 and assign
Size
only
3,
two values.
you assigned 3 values. That is one scenario. You can execute. Next, another scenario.
Size 3 and assigned only 2 values and executed.
And execute, no issue. Yeah. You can use the 2 values only, na?
Yes, sir. But do we see any change in the execution time? Because
no change.
We are assigning
executed na. Already we executed na.
Yeah.
Already we executed. No change.
Sir, my question is, sir, actually, since we are allocating a size, but we are not using that size, right?
Not so using size.
Does it take more time to?
No issue. Only memory will be allocated. Memory issue, not program issue.
Okay, sir. Just want to confirm on that.
Just memory issue.
Okay, sir.
It's not program issue. Okay. See, second method. Second method. Data type. Data type. Next, square brackets, array name. Array name. Preeti, that day you asked na, data type array name, after array name square brackets. It supports that syntax also, but that is not best practice. This is the standard syntax. Data type square bracket array name equal to new keyword data type of size, or you can say length. What is this usage? Declare array. Declare or create array with length. Next, assign value as usual. What is assign value? Array name of index. The first syntax I used that one. Syntax index. If it is 0 or 1, index. Array name index equal to value. See, in the first syntax, 3 statements are steps. In the second syntax, only 2 statements. Next example. Create the same array. Sanjida, create the same array with size 3. Guide me. Using the second syntax. Aarti, continue.
Sorry, sir. What was the question?
Gurnath, continue.
Sir, it's int square brackets.
Int
is some int square brackets, sir. Square brackets.
Square brackets.
Followed by you can say a. Some array name, sir.
Okay, here array name a
is equals to new.
Equal to new.
A, sir. It's a data type. Data type is int, sir.
Here. Int.
And the size or the length we can give, sir. Whatever how much ever you want.
Same. Previous same, example. Sir. Semicolon.
Okay.
What is this one? Declare array.
Yes, sir.
Declare array with size.
Length, sir. Oh, sorry, sir.
Next, assign value. Values.
Array. Yes, sir. Here we give like
array name a. A of
A of index, like no index is equals to what a value, sir? Yes, sir.
Next, array 1. Next, A of 2.
30.
Some value.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Run. Why it is showing 30? Okay. A of 0, A of 1. 30 only. This is one method. Next, third method. Only single statement. Single statement. See. Single statement. Data type, square bracket, array name, equal to, open curly braces, enter values. Suppose value 1, comma, value 2, comma, value 3. Close curly braces. Semicolon. What is this usage? Declare array. Next, define size and assign values. Here we no need to define size, just assign values. Assign values means you can get size. Suppose if you assign 3 values, size 3. If you assign 10 values, size 10. If you assign values, size default. Next, same example. Rahman, guide me. Same example using this third method.
So this could be int.
Just a minute. Int
A square bracket.
Int A square brackets.
No, only square bracket.
Int square brackets.
Then A equal to curly braces.
Okay. Equal to, just a minute. Yes, curly braces
And
values.
value.
Suppose 10, 20, 30. Close curly braces. Semicolon. Say same. Assign values directly. If you assign values, size automatic. Next, suppose A of 1 plus A of 2. 50.
So it's 30, right? 30, right, sir?
30?
Yeah, 10 plus 20.
No, sir. A of 0 is 10, right, sir?
Yes, 50 only. Who is asking?
Yeah, this is
Smita,
me.
10 is A of 0. A of 1. Index starts from 0, na?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Index starts from 0.
Okay.
See, example. Okay, na, Sridevi, all these 3 methods. See, first method 3 steps. Second method 2 steps. Third method 1 step. Just tell me the steps just step names. First method, 3 steps. What are the 3 steps?
Sir, int A.
No, I am not asking example. Just theoretical steps. First method, 3 steps. Create array, that is 1 step.
Create array, define, declare array, assign values.
Create array, define size or length.
Yeah, and assign values.
Assign value. See, create array, define length, and assign values. 3 steps. In second method, only 2 steps.
Create
array with size.
Define. Yeah, create and define size in 1 step.
Next, assign value.
Yes.
Next, last method only 1 step. Third method only 1 step. What is that
Yeah,
step?
define array, define size, and assign values.
Okay, if you assign values based on that number of values, it will assign size. Okay,
yes,
na?
Yes.
Okay. Say, declaring or creating different types of arrays. Next topic, declaring different types of arrays, data types. Observe Sanjida. If it is VB script, if you create array variable, you can assign different types of elements. Suppose first value 0 index integer, second value string, third value double, fourth value again integer like. But in Java, fixed data type, similar data type only. Find the difference between VB script and Java in case of arrays. See, respond quickly. Rahman, did you find the difference between VB script and Java in case of arrays?
Yes, sir.
What is the difference?
And the what's called different types of array. You can use the multiple types of array under one variable, like int, integer, then double.
See, if
then
it
character.
is VB script array, we can assign different types of values, integer, string type, double type, etc. But if it is Java array, similar data types only. Okay, na? Sanjida, are you following? Any confusion? Why not responding, people? Neeladri?
Sir, can you please repeat it, sir? This is Smita.
Smita?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool.
I got recovered.
Okay. Madhumati? Offline. Okay. See. Just a minute. Difference between VB script. We use VB script in UFT, that's why I am comparing VB script and Java in case of arrays. I will show you example, direct example, then you can easily understand the concept. Suppose if it is VB script, dim is declaration statement for variables. In VB script, dim is declaration statement. Keyword, VB script keyword, dim A of 3. Dim A of 3. Here you can assign different types of values. Suppose a of 0. First of all, observe Rahman. What type of array? A is what type of array?
String.
Int. We didn't specify now. Remember, in VB script, no data type specification.
Right.
First of all, VB script doesn't support explicit declaration of data types. Only implicit declaration of data types. Based on usage of the data, it considers data subtypes internally. Here, A is just variant.
Variable.
Variant. It can vary. Suppose if I enter A10, no semicolons in this syntax, A equal to 10, here single quote is the comment symbol, then it considers integer. Suppose A of 1 equal to, within double quotes, India, then internally it considers string type data. Say, we can store different types of data. A of 2 equal to 1.23. Then it considers double type data. Double. Otherwise, you can store same data type also. Suppose dim B of 3, next B of 0. Here no square brackets, just a minute. Only curly braces. Just a minute. I'm confusing with Java.
Sir?
Just a minute. Try. Let me complete it. 10. Next, B of 1 equal to 20. Next, B of 2 equal to 30. See, in the second example, similar data type, only all are integers. Otherwise, all are strings. Otherwise, all are double type data. Otherwise, one integer, one string, one double, etc. VB script supports to store different types of data into an array variable, but Java supports only similar data types. Continue, Preeti.
Yes, sir. In the first example, the dim A of 3, right? The bracket is wrong. So
wrong, yes. Okay, good. Here no square brackets in VB script. Observe. This is Java. This is VB script. Suppose if it is Java, here we specify the data type. Explicit declaration of data types. Say int square brackets, next EA equal to 10, 20, 30, semicolon. Here similar data type. Suppose if you enter 3.3, observe Rahman, Smita, it is error na?
Yes, sir, because it doesn't accept different type of
Different
data
types. Only similar data types. Okay. Did you understand, Smita? VB script versus Java in case of arrays?
Yes, sir.
What is the difference? In VB script, we can assign different types of data to an array variable or similar type of data. Different types of data or single type of data, not similar, single type. Here integer, actually B is not integer, it is variant. In VB script only data type is variant, it varies. Based on usage of data, it considers data type internally. Say you can use all integers or all strings or all double type data or one integer, one string, one double, etc. Means VB script variables support to store different types of data or single type of data, but Java supports similar data type only. Suppose if you declare integer type data, only integer values. Char type data, char type array. If you declare integer type array, only integers. Char type array, only characters. String type array, only strings. Double type array, only double type. Okay na, Smita? Rahman?
Yes, sir.
Rahman, any confusion?
No confusion. Thank you, sir.
See, declaring different types of arrays. Say, I will show direct example. Here you can follow any one of the methods. We discussed 3 methods. I'm going to use third method. Declare array and assign values directly. Suppose char square brackets A equal to open curly braces single quote A single character, next B, next C, not only capital letters, you can use small letters also, single letter, semicolon. This is array of characters, array of characters. Next, int square brackets B equal to open curly braces 10, 20, 30, 40, semicolon. This is array of integers, array of integers. Next, for example, string square brackets C equal to within double quotes UFT, next RFT, selenium, semicolon. Observe Sanjida, this is array of Madhumati.
String.
Madhumati, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm there.
Okay, earlier you disconnected. Tell me, this is array of
strings.
Strings. Next, suppose Boolean D equal to open curly braces. What are the values, Sanjida? Boolean values, only two types of values.
True and false.
True or false? True, false, false, true, like this. This is array of logical values. Array of Boolean values. Next, suppose double E equal to suppose 1.234, 2.345, 5.6, like this. This is Smita. Array
of double values, sir.
Array of floating decimal values. Array of decimal point values. See, like this you can create. Just a minute. Gurnath, I want to print this capital C. Tell me how to print. I want to print capital C in that character array, char A. Madhumati.
Yes, sir. It's A of 2.
A of 2. A of 2. Next. Smita, I want to print selenium or UFT.
Okay, C of 0.
C of 0. Next. Okay, you can print like this. Run the program. See, capital C UFT. What is the problem? Gurnath Natarajan, you are responding slowly.
Sorry, sir.
Why you are responding slowly?
Sorry, by the time I could understand.
Cool.
Yes, sir.
See, array is object. We can apply array methods. In built-in methods chapter, we will discuss array methods, string methods, character methods, number methods. I will show one or two important examples. Say, copy values. Copy values from one array to another. We can copy arrays. How to copy? Just a direct example. First declare array. Suppose int square brackets array1 equal to square brackets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, I want to copy this array. Suppose int array2 square brackets Just a minute. Equal to array 1. Just copying. Next, you display Sunil, display array 2. We just copying values from array 1. We didn't assign values directly to array 2. We are copying array 1 and now display array 2 using for loop.
Okay. For loop, sir.
Okay. Multiple values na for loop required.
Yes, sir.
For okay, you are new to this one. You are new to this one. Rahman, display elements of array.
For int.
Int. I
equal to start from 0.
Index starts from 0. Semicolon. I
and less than array 2.
Less than array 2 dot array length. Is object. You can apply built-in methods and properties. This length is property. Array length
semicolon
I++. Okay, open curly braces. Next, display. Suppose control space I. Then it will display all elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
Yes.
What is the problem?
Less than or equal to array 2.
No. Some problem happened.
It should be print. I should not I. It's array 2 of I.
Oh, sorry. We are just printing I. What is I? I is index na?
Yes, sir.
Index starts from 0 to 4. 5 size means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Say not index. Array of index. Array 2 of I. Run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay na, Sanjida?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, this is about printing array.
Sir? In array, whenever we are using the loop, so do we need to initialization should we start from 0?
Yes, 0. Index starts from 0 na. Array index starts from 0 na.
Yes.
0 only. Otherwise, it will read from second element.
Okay. And this array 2 dot length, does it count how many elements are there? So that way it will work?
Yes. Yes. Okay. Just a minute. Suppose array 2 dot length property. What is the output?
4.
4?
Yeah, because it will start. We should. Okay, 5, sir.
5. Run. Observe. Size 5. Okay na?
Yes, sir. So can we copy one single element also, sir?
If you want to copy single element.
Array. Can we just copy one element?
One element. See, array of 1. Invalid.
Yeah, and if after the array 2, can you give some a number, for example, 1 only. So it will copy the one element to that location.
First of all, we didn't define the size of array na. If you assign, if you copy entire array, then it will allocate based on that first array elements.
So we can't copy one single element, right?
No.
In array.
For that you need to define the size. And one more thing, arrays usage also very limited in our test automation. Why you are focusing more and more? Say I am introducing required concepts more than required. I am introducing more than required Java concepts. Why you are focusing again more? Not required. You are not developers, only testers. Actually, arrays usage also very limited in our test automation. Most of the time we use variables. Okay, na? Suppose if you want to define, first define the size array. First define the size. How to define size? Define size for array 2. Preeti, define size for array 2.
Data type int. Open and curly bracket.
Open curly bracket, that is size. Curly braces not required. See, in second method, in first method, what is the syntax? Observe. See, array name equal to this one.
New data type.
New data type. Otherwise, you try to follow second method. What is second method? Data type, array name,
and new data type.
New data type. Tell me int. Suppose array 2
equal to
new
data type.
New data type int of suppose
size
3. Just a minute. Just a minute. This statement. Syntax error. Change type of array to int. Int array 2. Still it is not accepting now.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. We'll check this one.
Sir?
How
about in line 8?
Line?
Yeah, line 8. She wants to put only single value. So how about so just delete the square.
Yes. Just a minute. Okay. Array 2 of 1. Observe Preeti. Now it is accepting copying single element, but before that you need to specify the size for array 2 now.
Yes, sir.
You try to delete this one. Now error na?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So before storing, you need to specify the length for array 2. If it is copying array, you no need to specify the length. Based on elements in first array, source array, it will assign.
Thank you so much.
Welcome, welcome. See. This is copying single element.
Sir? Can I ask you one more different way? Can you go against the Eclipse? So in after line 6, can you just make one more space? So int of square open and close square array 2 equal to open curly bracket
curly braces
open curly braces 1 comma array of 1
array of 1
array of 1
array of 1
you know you have to put 1, sir. Array 1
array just a minute.
Array 1 yeah, you cannot do that way.
Accepting.
Yes, sir. So that's how we can assign a single value in copying single value to an array.
Accepting.
But here in array 2, we are assigning more than one value, right? Because 1 comma array 1.
If you want 3, to observe one problem, Niladri, if you want to access particular element in this method, not possible.
So I don't understand what.
Possible, Preeti.
Suppose like
suppose I want fourth one, possible. Array of 4. Array 1 of 4.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. This I do understand, but the before one, because we were assigning other values too, right? So that's
apart from new values, you can copy elements from another array. Otherwise, you can directly access. See. Okay, see, don't go in depth. Actually, our test automation point of view, this much knowledge not required. Just creating arrays and using arrays enough. Next, different types of arrays. Types of arrays. Actually, in test automation, only we use constant arrays or single dimensional arrays. Multi-dimensional arrays not required. Just I will show how to create and use multi-dimensional array. Say we have two types of arrays. Two types. Arrays in Java. One is single dimensional array. Single dimensional array. Another is multi-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional array. Single dimensional array, multi-dimensional array. Example. you know how to create single dimensional array. Suppose this array 1 is single dimensional array. Next array 2. Suppose 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 close curly braces comma open curly braces. Suppose just a minute. Suppose 1 3. You can use any type of data, any type of values, same values, similar values, integer values only, any value. Suppose 2, 4, 6, suppose 7 only, no issue. One more curly braces. Still problem.
Yeah, one more square bracket we need in array 2.
1 3 5 7. What is the problem? Double square braces. Okay. See, this is array 2. This is two-dimensional array. In two-dimensional array, is tabular format. Tabular format. First value indicates rows, second value indicates columns. Tabular format. Rows and columns. Rows and columns. Suppose, just a minute. SYSO, control space, enter. Observe, Sunil, I want to display this 1. How to display?
Array 2.
Array 2. Just a minute. Array 2. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Array 2. I want to display this 1. Smita.
0, sir.
The value.
0.
0 1 0 comma 1.
Who is telling?
And square bracket 0.
Square brackets?
0.
0.
0. See, this is 0 0. Next one 3 0 1 5 0 2 7 0 3. This 2
1 0.
1 0. Array 2 of 1. Next 0.
2.
Gurnath, I want to display this 6, Gurnath. 6.
Okay, sir. Sys.out.println array 2.
Array 2.
One square bracket, comma, 2, sir. The square bracket.
Square brackets 2.
Yeah, other square, one more square bracket.
2,
sir.
2. 1 2.
2, sir.
Run the program. 1 2 6. Next, here one small assignment to you. Print two-dimensional array. See. Print two-dimensional array. Two-dimensional array using nested for loop. Okay na? Niladri. For printing 2D array, nested for loop required na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, small concept, advantages and disadvantages of arrays. Advantages and disadvantages. Rahman, advantages and disadvantages of arrays.
Using array, we can optimize the code.
See, using array, we can optimize the code, simplify the code. We can optimize the code. Data can be retrieved easily. Data can be retrieved easily. Next, we can get required data using index position. We can get a required data using index position. Next, disadvantages. First, advantages. Next, disadvantages. Continue, Rahman. Tell me one or two disadvantages.
So we can only store fixed number of elements.
Yes, we can store fixed number of elements only. We can store fixed number of elements only. If it is VB script, we have dynamic arrays. You can resize the array during execution. But in Java, you cannot resize during execution. See, it doesn't change. It doesn't change its size. It doesn't change its size during execution. This is small disadvantage. Getting this point, Madhumati, VB script versus Java in case of dynamic arrays.
Yes, sir.
Madhumati.
Yes, sir, I got it.
Java's VB script supports dynamic arrays. We can resize dynamic arrays during execution. But in Java, we can't resize.
That's a fixed.
Okay, this is about Java arrays. Java arrays. Next, one small chapter, input and output operations. Input and output operations. IO operations in Java. IO stands for input, and output. Okay. Input and output. You know how to display output on the console. We are daily we are using that statement, system.out.println. Next, reading input. Say there are 3 ways available for reading input. See, there are 3 ways available for reading input. One is using scanner. scanner object. Another is data input stream. Input stream. Next, buffered reader. Buffered reader. Say out of these three, scanner is easier way to read input, and it checks data validity also. See, we will discuss scanner object. Observe. Using Java, using java.util.scanner. Say Java is project, util is package, scanner is class, built-in class. Is the easier way, and it includes many methods to check input is valid to read. To check input is valid to read. Okay. Example. See, before that, observe Rahman reading data. Basically, two types. Reading data. This is one concept. Next, reading input. Both are different, but reading only. Did you find the difference? Can you find the difference between these two, Rahman? Read data, reading input. Both are reading only. Now tell me what is the difference between these two usages?
So reading data means data already there, then we are going to read, and input means we are assigning.
Can't we read input? Reading input, user interaction required. For reading input, user interaction required. Input reading also reading data na. Suppose I am providing data through input devices. That is also reading. Observe here.
Correct.
Read input. This is one. Another is read data from files. Suppose data already there, you can read from files. The second one, read input only na. Input devices, mouse and keyboard. Sanjida, did you find the difference between these two? Reading data, reading input, part of reading data. Why people are responding slowly today?
Yeah, I think, I got it.
What about you, Madhumati?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Okay. See, I will show you example. Concentrate. reading input. Reading input. First I'm going to create a scanner object. Scanner, this is built-in class. Suppose scan, you can use ABCD also. This is object name equal to new scanner of system dot in. See here different streams available. The system dot in is input stream. System dot in. System dot in is an input stream. This is creating object. Why it is showing error, Sridevi? It is showing error. Observe the pink color underline marking.
Yes, sir.
Why it is showing error?
You have to import the
Just
Java.
a minute. I am asking Sridevi. Tell me, Sridevi.
Yes, sir. Like java.util.scanner IO class. I mean IO package needs to be.
First, this is built-in built-in class. We need to import the library. Import the library. See, just it is providing quick fixes. Import scanner from Java util. Okay. Now, first output statement. See. Any meaningful message. Enter your name. Enter your name. Enter your name. Semicolon. Next, name. What type of data, Rahman? Name is integer type or character type or double type or?
It should be string.
String type. So take string type variable. String. Suppose name equal to scan. This is scanner object. Scan dot. Next line. Semicolon. Next, display this one after reading the input. Suppose message optional. Your
Sir, this is Gurunath here, sir. I did not understand the 10, sir. Line 10.
Line 10. We are reading the input using scanner object. What type of input? We are going to read string type. For that, yes, we need to store into variable now.
Oh, got a string name. Okay, got it, sir.
We need to store. That's why I am taking that string type variable. Suppose your name is plus concatenate name. Observe, run, see, enter your name. Enter. Observe Madhumati, it is showing now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Suppose no display statement. Observe Rahman, what is the problem? Is it mandatory before reading? Rahman,
reading data is mandatory, sir.
Mandatory. Otherwise,
Yes, sir.
it won't be activated. See, enter your name. This is method on scanner object. Next line. Another method is there. Just next. Observe Neeladri. Find the difference between next and next line methods. Earlier we used next line, this time only next. Observe.
Yes, sir. It will print next.
What is the difference?
It will take the first input.
Not only first word, whatever it might be. First word. If it is single letter or two letters, observe. This time it will print G only. Only one word. Suppose if you want to print multiple words, use next line method. Find the difference.
Yes, sir.
Suppose.
Thank you.
Welcome. Enter your city. See, for this you can write next method. Otherwise you can use next line also, but memory point of view, select this one. Scan dot next. Suppose your city is concatenate city. Next.
Sir? Sorry to interrupt you, but I'm not getting this. You said the reading is two types. The reading data and reading input.
Reading?
No, the reading, there are the two types of the reading, right? The reading data and reading input.
Not reading two types. So, two flavors. See, reading data one concept, reading input one concept. Reading input is part of reading data. Now, no two types now, only one type. Observe. Reading input is separate one or part of reading data?
It is the same thing.
Part of reading data. Now, see, just understanding purpose I used this one. Remove this one. Just reading input, reading data from files. Comes under reading data. Now, observe. Avoid the confusion.
Okay. So read input, it means the system, whatever we are mentioning,
reading
the data, right?
How you read input? How you read input? Input using input devices, na?
Yes, sir.
Reading data from files. Suppose you have files in your computer, you can read data, that is different concept. That is also reading. Suppose I have one file, in that file some data is there, I am reading that data, that is reading from file. Suppose I want to read from using input devices, mouse and keyboard, that is also reading. What is the problem?
Yeah, just now, just you mentioned, right, the enter your name. So whatever you are entering from your keyboard, that is read input, right?
Yes, read input.
Okay.
Read
Now
input.
I understand.
Using input devices, okay. Mouse and keyboard.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Welcome. Say, suppose integer type data. Integer type. Observe, Sunil, this next line, next methods read string type data, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
How to get that one? Observe. Observe. Remove this one. Dot. Observe this one. Next line. After next line, what it is showing in this context?
String, sir. String. Name.
Next after next.
String.
String. So this next and next line methods for reading string type data, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Got it.
Next, read integer. Read integer. Suppose system. Okay. SYSO control space enter. Oh. SYSO control space. Why it is showing this one? Before this curly braces. Now okay. Enter. Suppose integer type data. Suppose enter your number. Int num equal to scan dot next int. Observe Neladri. This next int for reading integer na, it is showing int.
Yes, sir.
You can easily identify that one. Next, display. Suppose your number is concatenate num. Okay. Run the program. See name, next city, next number. Suppose 1, 2, 3. Your number is 1, 2, 3. Observe Rahman one more time. Suppose name, next city, next number. Suppose phone number 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 digit. It is showing error. What is the problem?
Because it's too long.
Long. See, we are using integer type na. Integer type. So integer is not sufficient for this scenario. Suppose I want to read phone number. Observe Arti. I want to read phone number. For that use another data type. Tell me. I want to read integer type data only, but lengthy.
Long.
Just a minute.
Double, sir.
Control space. Suppose enter your phone number. Enter your phone number. Tell me, Aarti.
Maybe we have to use the hyphen, but I'm not sure, sir. Sorry.
Madhumati, just a minute. Just answer. Madhumati.
Yes, sir. I think we can use long.
Long, yes, long. See, long data type. Long. See, we have 4 types of integers now. Smita, what are the 4 types of integers?
Int.
Not int. Int is not first. Sequence. Maintain the sequence.
String.
String is integer type. We have 4 types of integers in Java based on that memory size. Difference is memory only. 4 types of integers in Java, Rahman. Rahman.
Yes, sir.
What are the 4 types of integer? Integer is integer. Long also integer. Long integer. What are the another 2? Gurnath, Natarajan.
Double.
Double, sir.
Double is not integer.
Byte short.
Byte short.
Byte.
First byte.
Int long. Short.
Short.
Int.
Long.
Okay,
na Smita? Byte short. Int long. Integer type data only, but what is the difference?
Size of the data?
Size, memory size. See, long, suppose num2 equal to scan dot next long semicolon. Next long semicolon. Next you can display message optional, your phone number. Your phone number is concatenate num2. Run the program. See, first in string type data, you can use multiple words. Next, city type data, we used next method, only single word. Next, number, we used integer for first number. Suppose 1, 2, 3, accepting. Next, phone number, suppose 9247837478. Okay now, Sanjida.
Sir, question.
Just a minute.
If we want to put then more numbers, like more than 10 digit there, can we put it like only 10 or 11?
Pardon?
Like the number, like phone numbers.
Pardon?
The digit for the phone numbers, if we want only 10, not 11 allow, can we able to do that?
Here we are not restricting 10 or 11.
Okay, all right, okay. But if we want, we have to write some
11,
some
20,
condition.
you can write 20 letters.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Here we are not restricting 10. Just understanding purpose, I entered phone number. Not only 10. You can enter 9 or 11. No issue. Next, character. Read okay, before that double. Suppose enter a value. Enter a value. What is the data type? You can use float. Suppose I want a decimal point value. For small size, you can use float. Large size, you can use double. Suppose double num3 equal to scan dot next double.
Sir? What is this num3?
Num3 is variable.
Okay, that one user defined variable.
User defined. You can use any name.
Okay.
A, B, C, or X, Y, Z. This is variable. Double type variable.
And whenever we are just like in we explain the scanner util, right? So whenever we are importing those kind of things, so that time always it is importing the libraries only.
Pardon? Importing libraries. Suppose if you are going to use any predefined libraries, first we need to import that one.
Okay.
That is not built in. This is external only. This scanner class external only. If you want to say in Java compiler, they didn't include all built-in classes. Why? The reason is memory. If they include all built-in libraries, what will happen, Preeti?
It will take more memory.
More memory. Suppose they included 1000 libraries, but in your program you are using only one or two libraries. But they included thousands of libraries. What will happen? Memory. It occupies more memory. So execution performance will be reduced. That's why they included most important things only, libraries only. For remaining libraries, you need to import. But you no need to search for that one. Say this IDE provides context help. Observe. Suppose you just used scanner class. Scanner class not built in, predefined but not built in. See, it is showing quick fixes. Import so and so class from so and so package under Java project. Then you can easily import. Getting?
Yes, sir.
And one more thing. Suppose system.out.println. This is also library. System is class, out is object, println is method. But this is built in or imported?
It is built in.
It is built in. Say they included some important libraries built in. Suppose that system.out.println. We are regularly using that one. Say most of the developers or testers frequently use that output statement. That's why that is built in. Remaining not built in. Wherever required, you can import them. IDEs, Eclipse or NetBeans, they provide context help. Any confusion?
No, sir. I got that one. Okay. One more question. The line 8.
Line 8.
8. Yeah. Okay. Now this scanner, scan, a new scanner, this is the syntax. We have to use like this only. Only the scan name, we can change it,
syntax, right? Observe. Up to this one. This is object creating syntax.
Okay.
Object creating syntax. In this scanner class, multiple streams available. That's why within brackets, we used system.in. Suppose if it is single stream, only blank parenthesis. See, this syntax is not only for built-in classes, also for user defined. Suppose if you want to create object in this class, how to create object in this class? What is the class name?
Arrays.
Suppose ABC equal to new. Arrays. Just a minute. Blank parenthesis, semicolon. Now this ABC is user defined object.
Yes.
Any confusion? Any queries?
No, sir. Okay. Thank you so much.
Welcome. Say this num3. Num3 is variable. Just variable. Control space enter. Your value is plus sign num3. Next, character type. Observe Rahman, character type. Suppose control space enter a character, enter a character. Char data type. Suppose char a equal to scan dot next. This is method. Next one, option required. Option char at. Suppose 0th position. Just a minute, I will show. See, character data type can store one character only. Isn't it, Rahman?
Yes, sir.
If you want to store multiple characters, then go for string type. Isn't it? String type.
Yes, sir.
See, suppose message. Your character is plus sign A. Observe Sanjida Mukul. Suppose string type data, multiple words. We used next line. Okay, printing. Next string type data only, but single word. Hyderabad. Single word. Next, enter number, integer type. Next, enter mobile number, phone number, integer type only but lengthy. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Aarti asked 11. 9, 10, 11. Printing na, Aarti?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes,
next,
sir. Thank
enter
you.
a value. What is that value? Double type data. Suppose 1.2345. Okay. Next, character type data. Observe Suppose capital Z, enter. Okay. Suppose chariot 1. Chariot 1. Just a minute. Just a minute.
Sir, I have one question.
Just a minute.
Okay.
Run Abzar Rahman. Suppose Z. Enter a character. Only 0th position. Can use small letters also. Somebody trying to ask question. What is the problem?
Yes, sir. No, sir. I just want to understand when we are giving an input, the cursor position is on the previous question actually. So, do we have anything that change the cursor position?
Enter. Press enter.
No, sir. By default, I'm asking. Suppose after answering the first question, you're moving to the next question.
The first question. Just a minute. Suppose.
Yeah. Okay.
Enter your name. Press enter.
Yeah. Now, if the cursor moves to the after the character, sir, do we have anything like that?
Okay.
Because every time we are moving, yeah.
But if you enter the data, it is placing after that values only. Okay, I will check that one.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir? Sir? Yes, for the last one, the character one. Char one. So, okay.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Char one. Just a minute. Suppose A. It is showing A. Suppose
yes,
char 1.
Yes, sir.
Suppose AB.
Yes, sir. That's I want.
It will read B. Index position 1. B. Output is B. Okay, na?
Yes, sir. Yes. That's
suppose if you use char 2, char at 2. Suppose value is AB, what will happen? Will it show error na?
Yes, sir.
It will show error. Why? Here no
value.
Show error. Suppose run A, B, C, D. Now what is the output, Aarti? Char at 2.
ABC.
C, sir.
Gurnath?
C, sir.
C. Yes, character is C. Okay, now Madhumati, did you understand this char at index position?
Yeah. Yes, sir, I got it.
So it reads only one character at a time, right?
Only one character. Char variable can store one character only.
At a time. Okay, thank you.
Here we need to specify the index. 0 means if it is single character, it will read. Suppose if it is 2 characters, if you specify 0, first character. If you specify index 1, it reads second character. If you specify index 2, it will show error. Okay, na?
Yeah, yes, sir. Got it now.
Just a minute. Next, any other type? Suppose Boolean. Boolean. Suppose control space enter. enter a value. Next, Boolean equal to scan dot where is that next Boolean?
So you don't declare variables, sir.
Oh, the error na. B. Scan dot next Boolean. Observer Rahman, based on the data type, it is showing context help na?
Sir, let me see.
Suppose your value is plus B. Observe last 5 minutes. Run the program. Say string type data, multiple words. For that we used next line, next single word. String type data but single word. Next integer, small size data. Next enter a value. What is that value? Decimal point value. Next enter character. Yes. Oh, why it is showing error? Here I used that one. I used wrong index. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that. Next 1.2345. Next character. Yes. Next Boolean type. True. Enter. Okay. This is about reading input. Reading different types of input. Preeti, following?
Yes, sir, I have a question. Sorry for that. Sir, just now I asked you the system.in when the scanner scan. Right? So the system.in, do we need to use always whenever we are using scanner?
Yes, this is input stream. In this new scanner, other streams also there. It is not a this class is not only for single purpose. That's why multiple streams available. But our required stream is in stream. See system dot. Oh, here, not here. Just a minute. System dot. Here multiple streams available. See,
but generally we use in only.
Print stream, etc. streams available. That's why I used in only.
Okay. And how much percentage do we use input and output operations for the testing purpose?
Say, if you want to read dynamic test data, for that we use input na.
Yes, sir.
See, in Selenium WebDriver chapter, sometimes we read that verification codes, dynamic test data. For that we use input, isn't it?
Okay, sir.
Say.
Thank you.
Next, output. Last 2 minutes. display file handling we will discuss tomorrow. Today only two topics: arrays and IO operations, input and output operations. See, display output on the console. Display output on the console. If we use command prompt, computer console. If you use say, Eclipse IDE console. Two scenarios, Rahman. Suppose if we use command prompt, Windows command prompt for writing and executing Java programs, then computer console. If you use Eclipse IDE console. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
See, display output on the console. See, regularly we are using daily. Just a minute. Suppose int a equal to 10, b equal to 20. Suppose I want to print message, just message. Suppose welcome to Selenium. Welcome to Selenium. This is just a message. It will show welcome to Selenium. Next, message with variable value. System.out.println message with variable value. Suppose addition of a comma b is concatenate a plus b. This is message with variable value. Next, output addition of a comma b is 30. Next, one more flavor. Suppose message variable value, again message, again variable value. Yes, you can write. Suppose value of a is plus a, again concatenate, again message, value of b is, again concatenate b. It will show first message value of a is 10. Next, value of b is 20. Value of b is 20. Run. Otherwise, just variable value. Just variable value. A. Just a minute. Run. See, just variable value 10. Welcome to Selenium. Just message. Next, addition of AB is 30. Message with variable value. Next, value of A is 10. Message variable value. Again, message variable value. Okay, na Neeladri? Different usages of output statement. Sunil?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We will meet tomorrow, same time. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.